Hello, you are welcome to today's lesson, and we are about to continue college mathematics. We are still dealing with bearings. So, we have a question on the board. The point X is 34 meters due east of a point Y. The bearings of flagpole from X and Y are this and that, respectively. We have to calculate the distance of the flagpole from Y. As usual, we have to start by drawing the cardinal points and then locating the different points. Solution. So we have this. I go back. Point X is this due east of point Y. So that means let's take this to be our point Y, due east to the right. So assuming that we continue, on getting here we stopped. So let's call this X, because X is this due east of Y. So this should be our 34 meters. And then the bearings of flagpole from X and Y are this. So from X, north 18 degrees west. That is here, then to the left. This is north. This is northwest. So you pick up. Okay. So this is our 18 degrees. West. Then, and then again, north 40 degrees east. That means again, coming here, you check. So this should be the point. So that means the flagpole should be here. And this should be our point Z. So this is our flagpole. Okay. Now, and then this is north 40 degrees east. See the location? Then, remember that we are doing only this, but we can calculate some of the angles. So this is our small x, side facing capital X is small x, y side facing capital Y is small y, and so on. Now, let us check. Since this is due east and this is 40, this small place should be 50 degrees. Now the question is how or why is it 50 degrees? It's 50 degrees because the whole of this is 90. The whole of this is 90. Subtract 50 from 90, you have 50. Again, to find this angle, you subtract 18 from 90. 90 minus 18, you have 72. So this is 72 degrees. And then finally, for us to find the angle Z, we know that this plus this plus this will give us 180. That is sum of angles in a triangle. So to get angle Z, angle Z should be 180 minus 50 degrees plus 72 degrees. And that would be 180 minus, this will give us 122. 122. This is 8. This is 8 remaining 7. This is 8 remaining 7. Finally, that is 5. So this is 58. This place is 58 degrees. So we have succeeded in getting all the angles. Okay. But we are looking for the distance from, calculate the distance of the flagpole from Y. That means we are looking for YZ. So continuing from here, so we can continue from here. That means we can say that since we have all the angles, we can use a sine rule. YZ all over YZ all over sine 72 is equal to XY, because we know the side, XY all over sine 58 degrees. That is, you have to use the side you know plus the angle, then you'll be able to get the side you don't know. So cross multiplying, we have YZ sine 58 degrees is the same thing as XY sine 72 degrees. And that means that we are talking of YZ alone will give us XY is 34. 34 sine 72, then all over sine 58 degrees. So we move on by checking our tables or calculator. And then in order to do that, we have 34 times sine 72 is 0.9511 all over 0.8480. So from there, we come up here. That will give us 38.1337 meters. So, and that is finally approximately equal to 38.13 meters. And that is the answer. So you can conclude by saying, therefore, the distance of the flagpole, from Y equal to 38.13 meters. That is it. So you have seen the diagram. You start from the diagram and then use your sine rule, go through it, and then finally you arrive at the answer. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, please put it in the comment section so that I'll check it in my next video. Thank you.